Continuing coverage of the sentencing of former Blount County teacher who was convicted of assaulting students. Talking about Joseph Dalton, facing 6 months probation for his crimes, no jail time though. Records show he's still an active teaching license. This is causing parents and the community to take a stand. Now state lawmakers, they want to get involved. Lexi Lepov, she's following the story for us.
We stand with the victims and calling for this never to happen again, and we think it should be severely punished when it does happen.
Blount County Commission Chairman Jared Anderson pushing for change after former teacher Joseph Dalton sentenced to 6 months probation for 5 counts of assault against students.
We need to change the law.
Anderson submitting a resolution to commission calling on the Tennessee General Assembly to strengthen and reform laws. Right now, assault by offensive touching is a Class B misdemeanor. The maximum punishment is 6 months, with no distinction between touching a minor versus an adult.
I felt like it needed to be a separate offense when the physical contact is with a child, and it needs to have a more serious penalty.
District Attorney Ryan Desmond, who pursued the charges against Dalton, also speaking out in a statement, saying his office can only do what the law allows, and that he supports efforts to change laws while calling the current statute insufficient.
Right now, as a father, I don't feel safe sending my kid to this school system. I really don't.
Several parents still outraged. State records show Dalton still has a valid teaching license. Our investigation found his license is flagged for review, but that process could take months.
And our children deserve better than excuses. We deserve action.
Anderson's resolution asks state lawmakers to consider legislation for offenders like Dalton to automatically lose their license and create a transparent database for all schools in the state to track staff disciplinary records across districts.
I would like for the legislature to look at this as a kind of a case study of what we can do, how we can fix the system.
Sir Lexi Lepov reporting there. Now, she did reach out to several East Tennessee lawmakers about this. Representative Tom Stinnett, whose district includes Blount County, says he's aware of the case. He says he has a meeting set with Blount County District Attorney Ryan Desmond to discuss the case and then decide if there needs to be future action at the state level.